Hey guys, it's Jay with icar-stl.com, and today we're here with a 1999 Mitsubishi Eclipse GST Spyder. If you love 90s Japanese cars, hit the subscribe button. If you love this car, hit that like button and give us a thumbs up. We work with 3 different lenders that will help bring your dream car to your driveway. All of our lenders are listed on the website under the Financing Options tab. You can fill out the applications online and have an approval within as little as 24 hours. Let's quit wasting some time and let's get to this beautiful car. Alright guys, we're here with this DSM Legend, this 1999 Mitsubishi Eclipse Turbo Spyder Convertible. It has 113,094 miles on it. It is black leather interior. It has a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder turbo. It is the 4G63T motor. It is 6 owners, no accidents reported. Timing belt was replaced recently at about 15,000 or so miles ago. It is a turbo motor, 5-speed manual transmission, has a double DIN CD radio, Injen Intake with new filter, Megan Racing Catless Downpipe. It's got a Catback System 3 exhaust. It's got new front tires, new front brakes, Glowshift boost and wideband air-fuel ratio gauge. It's got a newer power convertible top. This car runs excellent. It shifts great. Builds boost incredible. It sounds good going down the road. The paint does have some blemishes, but as you can see, it does shine. The interior is in good condition, with the exception of the driver's seat being ripped, which is a common thing on these cars. Let's get started, and what we'll do is we'll take a little walk around of it. I'll show you the flaws in it. We'll do a cold start, and then we'll take it for a drive. All right, starting in the front, as you can see, the hood is a different color. It's silver. I was going to have it wrapped and decided that I actually think I do kind of like the silver. If you are interested and want it wrapped like a carbon wrap, we can have that done. It is going to be extra added onto the price of the car though. It's got new headlights that are smoked out and haloed. It is missing the fog lights down there. I'm in the process of trying to locate them. It has a dent here and a paint scratch there. It's not, overall the paint is in decent shape. It's not 100% perfect, but it is a good weekend or a daily driver. Has a dent here. It's got smoked out tail lights. There is the exhaust. It's got issues on the paint up here on the spoiler, and then it's got some issues here on the paint on the trunk. Just shows some fading and whatnot. It does have the original Mitsubishi Eclipse wheels. The hood has some dents on it too, as you can see there. It's not perfect, and then has some touch-ups there. The convertible top is in very good shape, like new. You can see the driver's seat. Ripped. Back seat looks really good. Passenger seat looks good. Dash is free of all cracks. Everything works. Windows, locks, power top. can see underneath there's the new air filter. Megan Racing strip tower. Let's go ahead and take a look at the top now. You can see it has one patch mark here, but is in excellent shape. All right, let's do a cold start for you. Muffler is cold. Gonna have to replace that belt. Go ahead and put the top up. This is the button for it. Locks it down. Windows, they are tinted. They all work. Pretty good sound, quiet. Heat and air conditioning work in here. I'm not 100% sure I'm going to be able to show you the air that works because of how cold it is, but let's see. Radio does have that and an ashtray. Power mirrors, fog lights. Show you the switches. Let's get these here. All right, let's take her for a drive. See the air pressure or air fuel ratio, and then boost gauge there. It looks like a nice day today, but it is cold, so we are not going to cruise with the top down today. clutch feels good. Just my mirrors. All the mirrors do work. See that boost or not? It's got a good sounding blow-off valve on it. Air freshener with our logo on it hanging. This car does drive good, nice, smooth, straight, builds power, boost, and it's a good little running car. We do take trade-ins, so if you're looking to trade something in, just shoot us an email at office@icar-stl.com with the VIN and mileage and all that stuff, and we will send you back an evaluation on it. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at the number listed below, or you can visit our website to see our complete line of inventory at icar-stl.com/inventory. We try to stock about 15 to 20 cars within all different price ranges, ranging from 5K to 20K. Got a couple Skylines right now, 300ZXs, lots of fun cars. So, thanks for watching. Have a great day.